So much chop. signal group. You know, obviously you can see the people that come in here and have success. They just learn the system and they build their own playbook, right? So my bad for taking the L today, guys. It happens. You know, I should have been a little more patient, waited for the bottom level, and that's it, really. That's all there is. You know, that's all we can really do. It's all we can really do and say, right? But if you're jumping from group to group, taking signals, you're never going to learn how to trade. You're never going to get to the spot where you want to be at. I hate being the burden of bad news, but...
We ain't leaving, bro.
Yeah, usually we crush it. Today was just... you know what the thing is, bro? I said it this morning. I'm like, I just feel off today. I'm not, you know, I'm sizing down, and I didn't... Got to understand, as traders, we got to recognize that shit, right? We got to recognize that shit.
Yeah, good thing you sized down, and that would have been ugly.
Yeah, I'm down like $3,400 on the day. It's a tough loss, but it's all good.
Big welcome to MB. Just crushing it today.
What's that?
We got a new member.
Well,
just crushing it.
Happy to see some people crushing it today. That's what I like. That's what I like. Yeah, I mean, setups were hitting. We just took, I didn't wait for confirmation. That was the problem, right? You guys noticed that? I said, though, I said it right to you guys. I said, I'm getting in on this a little early. No, not confirmation. So.
Yeah, you said you're having a bad day, and then you said I'm getting in early. And then, yeah, it was all rushed.
Here, I got a phone call, guys. Hello. Booyah! Yeah, I got to get off the church, guys. I'm trying to look for another trade here, and I'm just like, nah.
And that level's holding pretty good, you know, but
I know.
Just done. I need to be done too. I took that level. I'm up 300, but I'm not dragged it to break even. I'm not gonna. This is my last trade.
Yo, Brad.
What's up, bro?
Yo, what's your plan for weekend?
I'm heading to the city, bro. Heading to the city. So I'm going to be there tonight and tomorrow night.
Nice.
Tonight and tomorrow night. Yeah, buddy. What are you saying? What's your plans? Anything exciting?
Maybe I'll just smoke some weed and sit at home.
Yeah. Fucking that sounds like a good weekend, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Dylan. I love it.
I took that along with you from
Did
the
you?
level. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I
Did you get-
ended in 1 micros and then added up on the next level. Ended up at the end, I
Nice.
was like on 10 micros or something. Then it
Good.
pumped up.
Yeah, that's a nice ad, bro. That's solid.
That's
Solid
always I
ad.
do with the stacked levels. I never trust the first one.
Yeah, I know. And you know, I talk about this all the time, right? Say it all the time. Stacked levels, boom. You know, we traded right down. We had a beautiful bounce off the third one. So we should have waited for that. Should have been patient. Should have waited for that. But I hesitated. Or I didn't hesitate. I fucking was a little early. A little early on that one.
Just a small part of your profit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just a small.
It sucks, but it is what it is, guys. You know what I mean? That's trading. That's all there is to it.
Here we go. It's launching now.
Yep. We want that liquidity. That's all there is to it.
You would think so.
Yeah, I'm in at 680, so I'm up pretty good.
Are you? Nice. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Well, I'm gonna call it a day. 10:30. Damn. Fuck. I'm disappointed with myself. Right? Disappointed with myself. But listen, you guys. This is trading. I have to accept it. Right? I have to accept it. I have to move on. I have to just review. You know what I mean? Like I should have waited for the bottom stack level. That's all there is to it. Even if we got in here, like on this 2-minute buy, right? Like, look, we had this. There's our trade right there. And then here's our trade. Here's a big displacement candle right here. Here's our trade right here. So, I mean, if you took this early entry with me, like I said, I'm taking this, I'm early, then that's the risk that you have to accept, right? That's the risk you have to accept. That's all there is to it. So, I mean, if you did get cooked on it, you knew the risk. I told you the risk. I said I'm entering early on this. I don't know why I did it. I think it's because we had London low right here too. And I even measured out the sell-off. Like if you look at the sell-off, just a sec here. I was like, it's only 120 something points. The one down here is like 200, and that's what I like. I like 200, you know, 200 to 300 point sell-off, but it is what it is. I mean, you know, you accepted the risk if you took it with me. Hopefully you didn't blow your account.
Green on the day. That's good.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, it like instantly flipped too, eh? Trev, you see that? We got in and then just boom, just fucking.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But look at you guys. Like, you gotta understand, you can follow me every single day, but some days I'm gonna take early entries and stuff. What is there an M2 buy set up here? I know I'm saying this, I didn't follow my rules, but I took the early entry. I was prepared and I added more, right? There's no M2 buy set up. So if you guys see me take a trade and there's no confirmation, don't take it if you don't feel comfortable or you don't want to put on the risk, right? I knew the risk I was putting on. I was okay with it. I had a 4K day yesterday. I was like, all right, it is what it is, right? So, yeah, it sucks though because we have perfect bounce here, and then there's our trade right there. So even if you took this proper entry on the M2 buy setup right here, just a sec here, let's get rid of this. There you go, 50 points right there. 50 points, baby. So, oh, I accidentally exited out of the Discord. I did. Yeah, exactly, Bear. Yep, that's it. Yep. Yeah, you gotta wait. I mean, you can take early entries, and a lot of times they work out on these levels, right? But if you do, it's just you have to accept the risk. You have to accept the risk on the confirmation too, right? It's pretty old trading. But look at what we're doing now, right? So just even if you took a loss today, look at why you took a loss. Probably because you took an early entry. I know why I took the loss. I didn't wait for confirmation. But now look at this level on ES, right? Hold it. Hold it, hold it, break, retest. We should take this high. Same with this, look, rejection, we broke it, retested it, we should continue higher. Just because a loss happens doesn't mean it's broken, right guys?
Two losing days in 3 months. I'm sticking around, bud.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a good win rate, man. I definitely got a good win rate.
No, but if you follow your plan, we come in and, you know, maybe do 2 trades on our own and 2 with you. You should easily be profitable.
Yeah, most people are. Most people are. I mean, there's the odd person that comes in and they can't. I'll be honest, man. There's the odd person that comes in and they come in on a week trial and think they're gonna make a bunch of money and stuff like that. And they're, you know, they don't. Those, I hate to say it, but most of those traders aren't gonna make it. You know what I mean? I'm just being real with you guys, right? Like, you know, you really got to put your time in on this. You really got to study the charts. You got to be very disciplined. And that's it. Oh man, what a bummer day. Like, I just hate seeing those stack levels and I didn't get the fucking, I didn't trade it. Yeesh. Prize were dumping, to be honest. I thought for sure we'd take that high on ES. Just looking at some options plays right now. That makes me happy sometimes after I take a loss. Yeah, discount range is holding. Oh, bummy morning. Taking a loss. Sucks too, because that liquidity sweep model printed. Does everybody see the liquidity sweep model here? We've got liquidity taken, right? Our London low. What do we have here? Another sweep. Right there. Inversion. Right here. Entry. Yeah, it happens. It happens. I mean, most of you guys understand trading, right? But there's always new people that just don't. They just think it should be win. I wish it was. I really, don't get me wrong, I don't give a fuck. I'll take a loss any day of the week, right? It's just, when I take a loss and it's an early entry or something, I think it's just because I've been running it up lately too, right? I've been fucking just running it up. So at the same time, it's like, it sucks, but sometimes we got to put on risk, right? So I seen I seen it. I see the chart real clear, and I don't think I did this morning. I should have waited. I should have waited for that bottom level. Especially talking to Trev too, right? Like with that last 15-minute candle, it flipped and it just dumped. Like it held this level, then just instantly right down, right? So it sucks taking a loss, but it sucks when you get cooked on a big candle like that too. It's all good. Did everybody, who made out okay today? Anybody though, or did you guys take that trade with me and get cooked? Be honest. And if you took that trade with me, I want to know why you took that trade with me. Is it because I called it out, or is it because you thought we might get the bounce? Nice, good stuff, Emma. Winning a lot like that. Yeah, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to hear. Didn't feel comfortable with it. Yeah, I feel you, Abel. One lit, one lot. Yeah, good stuff, Megs. Small size. Yeah, I shouldn't have. I was just looking for a little bounce, trying to get like 10, 20 points off that. We just didn't get it. Should have waited. This was our move right here. Right here. Boom. Nice. Good stuff, Bear Grylls.
Actually, it looks like a perfect time to buy right now.
Trying this short again.
Trev's sniping it. Trev's sniping it today.
It's just the PA isn't like that great. Like it's okay, but like we keep springing around. But this is a high probability, like at least retest the lows.
I hate that it didn't take that target we talked about.
I know, bro. I know, but look at.
It's selling.
That's gonna stop me at break even again, probably. But yeah, we're holding OTE and we have that massive 15-minute gap, and there's lots of resistance above it. So I mean, downside is the play, but it's just PA is garbage. I only have a couple micros on. I doubled my position size from last time. I think if we get back down to that level, I think I'll take LBs. I won't let it fool me twice. But timing is good right now. And minutes in the candle. And it's looking heavy. See what it does. See, it just keeps fucking bouncing, bro. I don't like that shit.
Making higher lows though, right?
That doesn't scare me, to be honest. It made a lower high though, right? It's making higher. It's creating a wedge right now, which is it's a bearish. Like it's still bearish until it ES made a higher high, but not NQ. If ES decides to, if everybody hops on the train to go south on ES, then NQ is gonna beat it to the finish line, right?
Yeah, for sure. So we want to break like that 714 before you start looking for longs.
I wouldn't be looking for long. I'm not looking for longs right now.
Let's see it dump. I want to see Trev bank on this.
I'd love 100 points. I would absolutely love that. I want to do a dance. I want to do a dance too, bro.
I want to see the dance.
Here we go. I'm in at 668. Get through this level. Don't do what you did to me last time. Can you erase
awesome,
that?
like we have different trading things, but then sometimes my level hits or like your level, and it's like fuck.
I know. It's like, bruh, there's a target right there. Okay. I might just take it and be smart. What time is it? 8 minutes left in this candle. It should push through it. It should push through it.
It's got it.
There's still a lot of time left in this candle, and it is bearish as hell.
You see that 15 minute? I love that you traded the 15 minute, bro.
That's all I trade, bro. I haven't even looked at the 2 minute today. Don't do it. Come on, push. Get sinky on me. At least I want to get down to at least like around 608 would be nice. Another 30 points. It's almost got to go now, or it's gonna bounce. A little bit of a pull.
We got Asia high up there on ES. So.
I know, but honestly, it doesn't bother me. That shit doesn't bother me.
Yeah, I know.
That that's too much ICT for me.
Yeah, I know. Right?
That shit don't bother me, bro. Look at this. Sinky.
Let's go. Dump it.
There we go.
Dump it for my guy Trev. I want to see this 100-point dance.
Up 40 points. I'm gonna move my stop to that level.
Right, I'm glad you went in today.
If it gets it back above this level, I'm full out. Not that I have a lot on, but I'm not letting it get back above that. I have it set right at that level. My stop. There, I'm out. Nice.
Nice trade.
That was basically level to level I got, so not bad.
Like that.
It's gonna go. There's still 6 minutes left in this candle. It's probably gonna go down to the next level, but I'm not. It already fooled me once. I'm not gonna let it do it twice. Can't get. It is looking weak. It's gonna like it's aging, right? But it could just absolutely flush here. We have to make a lower low in the next 5 minutes, or it's gonna probably bounce at these stacked levels again. That's your age, right? Is this age gonna be successful, or is it gonna fail? If it fails, then fuck, we could rip the all-time highs for all we know, right? Yeah, that was good, man. That was nice. I'm fucking nice. Not a bad day at all. Obviously, could have gotten more, but whatever.
Nice trade, bro.
Thanks, bro.
You took what you could get.
That's it, right? Take the easy piece.
Yep.
Now I can go on with my day. And it's so like, look at that H, bro. Like, look at on the 15-minute time frame. You have one massive red candle. That's your H, right? And then look at the curl. Look, that is a beautiful, like that's picturesque H right there. Like, I don't even care what ES is doing. ES is just like, it's done nothing all day, really. Like, what has it done? It's been chopping more than doing anything.
Yeah, I know. Today wasn't like ES kind of fucking was up and down like crazy today. We should have stayed away, to be honest. Even on there's a nice 15-minute buy setup, bro. Like, look at this. If you waited for the 15-minute, boom. Could have caught that all the way up. I want to see this flush down to our stack levels.
You're going to take it, aren't you?
No.
Failed H and stacked levels? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not touching it today. Sometimes it's good to take a fucking loss, bro. Keep you in check. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I was pretty happy about Monday actually. Like I got pretty roasted and it kind of felt good, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like in a weird way, right? Yeah, it's a weird feeling. Like, but you gotta deal with those. You gotta work out those feelings, and if you never feel it, then how are you ever gonna work it out?
Yep. Exactly, bro.
You guys are so dope. The way you talk about the loss, and you're like, "Hey, I was actually happy about it." There.
It's a fucked up thing, eh?